Smart, smart, do. We are the children, the children of God. Come, come, come. We change our world. We have what it takes to do it smart and make it smart. Welcome to our Smart Do.
Hello, grade 4 pupils. Welcome again to mathematics, our mathematics lesson today. Today we are going to look at addition of length. We began by looking at the length and the units of length. We said that length is given in meters and centimeters. In the previous lesson we looked at perimeter, whereby we said perimeter is the distance around a figure. So today I want us to look at addition of length. Then we are told, for example, add 12 meters 24 centimeters plus 6 meters and 33 centimeters. Add 12 meters and 24 centimeters plus 6 meters and 33 centimeters. How do we work out this? So we have two columns, one column for meters, the other column for centimeters. We make two columns for meters and centimeters. The first length was 12 meters and 24 centimeters. So we write 12 meters and 24 centimeters like that. 12 meters on the meter side, centimeters on the centimeter side, plus 6 meters and 33 centimeters. So we'll say plus 6 meters and 33 centimeters. That is how you are supposed to arrange your work. Then you draw these two lines here. And when we are working out addition, we said we start adding from the right hand side. From the right hand side. So we come to the centimeters. When working out length, addition of length, we start with the centimeters side. So what is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is 7. You write 7 there. Here we have 2 plus 3. 2 tens plus 3 tens. These are the tens side. 2 tens plus 3 tens, which is 5. So on 24 centimeters plus 33 centimeters will give us 57 centimeters. 57 centimeters. Then we come to the meters side. We start with the ones. What is 2 plus 6? 2 plus 6 is 8. Write 8 here. Then here we have 1. We drop 1 here. So we have our meters here. That means 12 meters and 24 centimeters plus 6 meters and 33 centimeters, you are going to get 18 meters and 57 centimeters. Let me show you another example. Let me give you another example. A piece of sugarcane measures 6 meters and 57 centimeters. A piece of sugarcane measures 6 meters and 57 centimeters. Another piece of sugarcane measures, so we are adding, another piece of sugarcane measures 7 centimeters, 7 meters, measures 7 meters and 64 centimeters. 7 meters and 64 centimeters. What is the total length of the two pieces of sugarcane? One piece of sugarcane measures 6 meters and 57 centimeters. Another piece of sugarcane measures 7 meters and 64 centimeters. So we are going to add the two lengths. We are going to add the two lengths. Just as we have said, we have two columns, one for meters, another one for centimeters. Good. So we have 6 meters and 57 centimeters. So here we are going to have 6 meters and 57 centimeters on that side, plus 7 meters on one side, 7 meters on the other side, 64 centimeters. Then we have those two lines here. So we are adding, we start from the centimeters side. We had 57 centimeters plus 64 centimeters. What is 67 plus 57 plus 64? What is 57 centimeters plus 64 centimeters? what are we going to get? 7 plus 4 is 11. What are we going to do? We write 1 here, carry 1. We write 1 on top of 5 because we've carried 1 tenth. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 57 centimeters plus 64 centimeters, we are going to get 121 centimeters. But remember, 100 meters is equals to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. So we regroup, or we break apart. We break apart 121 centimeters to 100 centimeters plus 21 centimeters. So 100 centimeters the same as 1 meter and 21 centimeters. I say, once we add the centimeters and we realize that they have gone past 100, we write the centimeters into meters and centimeters. So 121 centimeters is the same as 1 meter and 21 centimeters. So we write the 21 centimeters on the centimeters side, on the centimeters column. Then we carry 1 meter. We add 1 meter to 6. We add 1 meter to 6 meters. So we are going to have 1 plus 6, which is 7. 7 plus 7, which is 14. So we have 14 meters and 21 centimeters. Once you add and realize that the centimeters have gone past beyond 100, we regroup and we rewrite it as meters and centimeters. Then the centimeters we write on the centimeters column. Then we carry 1 meter, we add it to on the meters side. Let me give you another example. Another example on addition of meters and centimeters. Here we have 21 meters and 53 centimeters. 21 meters and 53 centimeters plus 18 meters and 76 centimeters. 18 meters and 76 centimeters. So we have those two columns for meters and centimeters. We have meters and centimeters, those two columns. So here we have 21 meters and 53 centimeters plus 18 meters and 76 centimeters. We are adding. So we begin by adding the centimeter side. So here we have 53 centimeters. Add the centimeters to the centimeters plus 76 centimeters. What is 3 plus 6? 3 plus 6 is 9. 7 plus 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So here we have 129 centimeters. What are we going to do? Convert it to meters and centimeters because it has gone beyond 100. Because it has gone beyond 100, so we write it in terms of meters and centimeters. 121 centimeters, the same as 100 centimeters plus 29 centimeters. 100 centimeters, the same as 1 meter and 29 centimeters. So these 29 centimeters, you write them on the centimeters column. Then you are left with 1 meter. Add 1 meter to the 21 meters. So 21, so we have 21 meters plus 1 meter. We get 22 meters. 22 meters, we add our 18 meters plus 18. 2 plus 8 is 10, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 1, 4. So you write your 40 meters here. That is how we add meters and centimeters. Thank you.